what's up, guys? So I actually had a really good day trading today. The market tanked and then it started to rebound, taking advantage of some of those moves. I'm shorting coin right now, so we don't know what happened, but or what will happen. But after the bounce here, I took it for a retracement. This was my original level, somewhere in the 70s, but I got out too early. I got cold feet as it was sort of bouncing off of this previous day close level. So I just got out. Now I'm taking it for a short again. I believe it would retrace. So we'll see what happens with that. But that is one of my trades. AMD, I have some swing positions on this as well, but I took it for, I saw I was holding this level. I took it for a reversal. Got out at this level and then went back down, added back in, got out again just because it looked like it was struggling to get past this level of resistance. Did get out here and then I got out at previous day close. It did kind of chopped around a bit before making higher highs, and now it's at 58, which is good for my swing. Let's see, Dash, again, this one I got cold feet. It dropped, would have been a nice entry here, but I missed that. I was trading some other stuff. Took it in at this level, got out of partial, and then on the way down, I didn't want to give back profit, so I just got out the remainder. Obviously, it chopped around a bit, came back, and now it's off to the races. I also have some swing on that, so that's good. DraftKings took it alongside on the pop here. I just got all out. Now it's making even greater highs. I do have it down here just because of how distended the stock is. I think it might be a good long-term, not long-term, but a good swing trade. DOCU, again, it dropped, holding this level as you know, the sell-off continues. It seems like this might be a good area for people to get back in just because it's very distended, and so even on the short term, I think it may go back up a bit. So that's why I took it along, and then as it struggled at this level, I got all out, and then now it's making higher highs. Very hard to tell. Marvel, similar story here. It dropped, put its level, higher lows, so I went in, and I saw it as it was struggling, but holding this level, added more. On the pop, again, I like to get out at levels of resistance, so I got out some, trying to see if it could pop through that. Waited a bit too long, it didn't happen, so I got out, and right after I got out, of course, stocks usually just like jump on me after I get out, so that was that. PDD took this on the short side. I waited, similar to what I'm doing right now with coin. It popped up, it hit a level of resistance, previous day close, this moving average here, so I shorted it on the drop. The reason why I got out there is because there is a moving average level of support here, so I got out at that point. ROKU, similar story. All of this looks about the same since the market is moving in sympathy pretty much. Dropped, started to come back up, went in long, waited, struggling at this level. This is where the moving average came, so I got out some, got out the rest. Didn't want this to come back down on me. It did continue to make higher highs, but you know, you don't win it all. TSM was pretty nice to me as well. It dropped, held this level, went in for a long. I got out at VWAP. It did come back down right at my entry, forming a double bottom. I kind of waited a bit to see if it holds. It was holding, so I went back in, and then here it was struggling a bit. So I got out. I don't know if the market will continue to tank, especially since this is a semiconductor play. So anyway, so that's pretty much it. Had a really good day. Took a lot of different tickers, and yeah, I came out on top, so I was fortunate. Hope you guys do well. Peace out.